Imagine walking into a school where your very first teacher is artificial intelligence. This documentary explores fictional future concepts inspired by today's technology and scientific innovation. Instead of textbooks, students could step inside fully interactive lessons.
Every lesson could become an experience instead of just a lecture.
Artificial intelligence may adapt every lesson to each student's unique pace.
History could become something students actually experience instead of simply reading.
Future classrooms may safely simulate experiments that are impossible today. Learning a new language could feel as natural as having a conversation.
Hello, how are you today?
元気です。ありがとうございます。
Even lunchtime could become smarter, with personalized nutrition powered by AI.
Could this become the classroom of tomorrow? The future might be closer than we think.
Every student could have a personal AI tutor available whenever they need help.
Future learning tools may adapt lessons based on how students stay focused
And engaged.
Artificial intelligence could become a creative partner instead of simply a classroom tool.
Smart technology may help students improve their athletic skills with personalized guidance. Even the journey to school could become safer with intelligent transportation.
Future classrooms could connect students across the world as if they were together.
Tomorrow's schools may inspire students to become the next generation of innovators.
No matter how advanced technology becomes, human achievement will always remain at the heart of education. Education has always shaped the future, and the future may soon reshape education. The future of education won't just be smarter, it could inspire an entirely new generation. Subscribe to Nextgen Future, where tomorrow begins today.